Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves bold, expressive designs and isn't afraid to show off your personality in every corner of your home, then today's video is for you. We're diving into Maximalism style, a design trend that embraces color, pattern, and personality to the fullest. Maximalism is the complete opposite of minimalism. Instead of neutral tones and clean lines, Maximalism celebrates excess. More is more. Think vibrant colors, bold patterns, and unique curated pieces from different styles and periods. It's all about creating a space that feels personal, eclectic, and full of life. In a maximalist space, you'll find vibrant, contrasting color schemes, bold wallpaper, artful furniture, and accessories that really stand out. There's no such thing as too much. Layers of texture, art, and bold design choices are welcomed with open arms. One of the main features of maximalism is the idea of curated chaos. Everything in a maximalist space has a place, but it's not about perfect symmetry. It's about expressing individuality, mixing patterns, textures, and colors in a way that feels both creative and cohesive. Maximalism also incorporates vintage finds, global influences, and lots of meaningful, personalized items. The goal is to make your space feel like it's lived in and loved, filled with stories and treasures that have been collected over time. So how can you bring this vibrant, bold style into your own home? With Foyr Neo, designing a maximalist-inspired space has never been easier. Foyr Neo's intuitive platform gives you access to a huge variety of furniture, finishes, and decor pieces, making it perfect for embracing the more is more mindset of maximalism. With just a few clicks, you can experiment with color combinations, textures, and eclectic furniture styles. Foyr Neo allows you to design a maximalist space that's bold, creative, and full of character, all while maintaining harmony in the chaos. The platform offers everything you need to design a space that's full of energy, color, and personality. Embrace the boldness and creativity of maximalism with Foyr Neo today. Link is in the description to get started with Foyr Neo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design inspiration. See you in the next video.